Yeah, my name is Corporal Carse and I'm an aircraft mechanical technician on the Red Arrows. So on a day-to-day basis, I, as a mechanical trade, we work on the mechanical system of the aircraft. So we, on a day-to-day basis, we ensure the aircraft is serviceable mechanically, basically, and then literally work on like the hydraulic system, the fuel system, any fault diagnosis that we need to work to make the aircraft serviceable, we do on a day-to-day basis. Well, inspired, I mean, my family haven't really got much of a background to the Air Force. My great-grandfather, he was in the Air Force, but that was a long time ago, so I didn't really experience that myself. And when it came to choosing a career, I wanted to be I like the engineering side of things. And then I had obviously a fascination of aircraft when I was younger. So I thought, why not put two and two together? So that's why I thought joining the Air Force would be a good opportunity for me to learn the trade that I have doing now. Challenges wise, I mean, I'm not too sure. Obviously there's always a challenge, but you work, I think the positive side of it, you always need a challenge really to work towards. So obviously you go through your basic training, military, that is the challenging probably side of it. But then once you get through that and you go into your trade, you get all the training you need. So it's like you are working towards the peak of what we are doing now as an engineer. So there's always challenges to face, but overcoming them is the best way to go about it. I wouldn't put any of them like as important to any other. I think all them skills are important, just as important as the others. I'd say teamwork is huge, especially in our role as Red Arrows. Different trades and problem solving as well. They work hand in hand with teamwork. With the fault diagnosis side of things, as a mechanical engineer, we're always problem solving to ensure that the aircraft is serviceable safely as well. The enjoyment is just the high profile position that I am in with the Red Arrows. And obviously when you speak to family members, they show a keen interest in the Red Arrows. Even if I used to work on Typhoon before that, an aircraft as well, and that was the same thing. So I think more the pride of working on the team that's the enjoyment I get out of it, and seeing the aircraft, managing to service an aircraft, knowing that you fix that aircraft as well, and then seeing it fly in a display for countless amount of people, that's something I take enjoyment out of as well. Yeah, so circus is basically, as engineers, we are in the back seat of the aircraft. So the pilots obviously sit in the front, the engineers sit in the back. And we travel to anywhere where, as you can see here in the main operating base, there's always loads of people, technicians around. So circus will fly with the aircraft and have no support with them. The only support they've got is yourselves in the aircraft. So the engineers need to be in the back to basically do a servicing of the aircraft, to then get it up to fly display. Say in any country in the world we can do that. And lucky enough, this year I've been selected as Circus 7 this year. So we'll do a lot of the displays. I'll fly wherever the aircraft go, I'll be with them as well. During college, I actually studied business in college, so something completely different to what I do now as a technician. And then when it came to choosing a university at the end of college, I decided completely different. I wanted a different career. So my advice is just keep an open mind of what career you want, and then pursue it, and then you could be in a position top of the Red Arrow sort of thing as an engineer, which is an amazing experience.